There are a lot of vacancies in this video, so please watch the video very carefully till the end, so you may find your right job for you. So coming to these all are walk-in interviews. So let's start with Indie Swift Laboratories. So they are hiring for their API unit, production and quality control departments. Friends, here you can see the venue is Paras Hotel, Ambla, Chandigarh Road, Derabasi District, Mohali. So coming to the production, they are looking for 1 to 5 years experienced candidate. The designation is junior chemist or senior chemist. And the coming to the educational qualification for this post, B.sc or Diploma in Chemical Engineering, so relevant experience in API industry. So the date of this walk-in interview is Sunday 9th October. Coming to the quality control department, they are looking for experienced candidates with minimum 1 year of experience. The designation is chemist or senior chemist. The educational qualification is B.sc M.sc B.pharm. So if you are interested, you can apply. You can also call the HR numbers mentioned there. So coming to the job opening from Sun Pharmaceuticals, they are looking for their formulation unit at Halal near Vadodara. So let us see the complete detail. This is a walk-in interview at Indore. They are looking for their injectable sterile. M.pharm or B.pharm is the qualification for senior executive or executive officer. So minimum 2 years of experience is required. And coming to the work profile, manufacturing, etc. And coming to the next department, which is injectable or sterile operator or technician, diploma, pharma or engineering or ITI with minimum 2 years of experience. Coming to the next thing, also injectable for executive or senior officer, operator or technician, M.pharm or B.pharm D.pharm or ITI or engineering with 2 to 7 years of experience is required. Operation of the following multiple tank or inline homogenizer, wet milling, CIP, SIP, etc. So these are the details. So coming to the next department, which is tablet or oral solid dosage form, senior executive or executive, M.pharm or B.pharm is the qualification for tablet, OSD, diploma, pharmaceutical or engineering or ITI, engineering, senior executive or executive, BE or B.tech for engineering, operator or technician, diploma is required, mechanical or electrical. So these are the complete details. The venue is the Red Maple IPR Mahasal Hotels Private Limited. So coming to the job openings from Kekule Pharma Limited. Friends, this company is having multiple vacancies for experienced candidates starting with 1 year of experience. So here you can see the department wise detail for production, quality assurance, IT, ETP, quality control, research and development. Friends, these are also walk-in interviews at Kekule Pharma Limited, Mia, Kajipalli Village, Jinnaram Mandal, Sangareddy, Telangana from 10 am to 4 pm. Here you can see, you can also contact the following numbers mentioned here. Friends, the walk-in interviews are from 7th to 15th October 2022. So here you can see minimum 1 year experience is required, and in that way you can see the qualifications for production, any degree, for quality assurance, B.sc or M.sc, for IT diploma, for ETP, B.sc or M.sc, QC, B.sc or M.sc. So they are looking for only B.sc or M.sc candidates. So let us move on to the next company, which is Piramal Pharma Solutions. Friends, this company is currently looking for their looking for senior research associate, CRO, research and development, that is research scientist, CRO, research and development, MSc organic chemistry or PhD organic chemistry, and you must have 2 to 10 years of relevant experience in CRO industry. So these are the details. Coming to the job location, which is Gujarat, CRO, R&D, Medchem. So these are the complete details. Experience to safely and effectively carry out routine synthetic organic chemistry techniques, reactions, recrystallizations, chromatography, etc. are some of the details relevant to the job. You can have a look at those. And if you are interested, you can attend the following venue: Park Ascent Hotel, 126, opposite IIM Lucknow, Noida campus, Sector 62, Noida. So the walk-in dates 8th and 9th October, Saturday and Sunday. So timings are same for both the days, 8 am to 6 pm. So here you can see the registration link that we will drop in the description of the video. From there you can register yourself by filling the form, or you can also scan this QR code, and interested candidates can also call the number for any further details. So coming to the walk-in interview details from IPCA Laboratories. Friends, they are having vacancies from the following departments, that is quality control and some other department. And coming to the venue is Hotel Woodland and H number 48 near Tejpal Motors, Vapi, So all vacancies are for shift duty. So here you can see, coming to the next position, quality assurance junior officer or senior officer, D.pharm B.sc or B.pharm is the qualification. Minimum 1 to 7 years of experience is required. So for interview, candidates should strictly follow the above qualification criteria. You must if you have the above qualification, only attend the interview. So these are the details. So if you are interested, you can attend the interview. Interested candidates, you should share your CV with total experience, annual CTC and current location to the above details. So coming to the job openings from Sun Pharmaceuticals. Friends, this company is currently conducting walk-in drive for the process development or tech transfer oral solids on 9th October 2022 from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. The function is process development and technology transfer. So the job location is Sikkim or Guwahati. The qualification is B.pharm or M.pharm with 3 to 7 years of experience, and the grade is executive or senior executive. So here you can read the job description: process development for new immediate release and modified release solid orals, and plan scale up and many next is circuit development and maintain department standard operating procedures, and to do documentation as per CGMP SOP BMR. So the venue of the interview is Sun Pharma Guest House within Sun Pharma Colony, Ranipur, Sikkim. So coming to the job openings from Emcure Pharmaceuticals. Friends, this company is conducting walk-in interviews on Sunday 9th October from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. So you can also scan this QR code. And for their manufacturing unit, okay, so coming to the details, for production department operator, 2 to 5 years of experience is required. They are looking for skilled operators for while washing machine, okay, and sealing, isolator, lyophilization, terminal sterilization and batch manufacturing. And coming to the next, production area coordinator or officer, executive grade, experience of 2 to 8 years. And coming to the last and final thing, packaging department, visual inspection of the vials, packing operator or supervisor, labeling, blistering, track and trace system. So the interview venue is Emcure Pharma Limited, plot number SM 141516 GIDC. So coming to the job opening from Intas Pharmaceuticals, they are conducting walk-in interviews for officer executive tablet packing, that is primary, secondary bottle packing and line, and QMS area, quality management system area. The qualification is B.pharm or M.sc. The experience required is 2 to 8 years of experience. So here you can see the job area: experience in primary or secondary tablet packing, good knowledge in sticker labeling, track and trace system, etc. Like the previous company Emcure only. They are also looking for the officer or executive. So coming to the next position, which is machine operator, technician, tablet packing, jockey for blister primary, secondary and secondary bottle packing line area. The qualification is ITI Diploma or D.pharm, Diploma in Pharmacy. Experience required is 2 to 6 years of experience. So if you are interested, you can attend the interview 10th October 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. at venue Insta Pharmaceuticals Limited. Plot number 5 to 14, Farmage near village Matoda, Sakesh Bawla Highway, Ahmedabad. So thank you for watching. You can also contact the HR number. So you can contact the HR 0271 761 9783.